Right guys, Ural update. I've had the bike now for 2-3 weeks. All I've done is unload it and put it in the garden where it's sat since the day it was unloaded. Never run, doesn't actually start because it's not been run for a long time and it's got issues, etc. Main issues are putting a battery on it, switch gear is all seized up, that all needs changing. It's going to David Angel over at F2 Motorcycles next week to be recommissioned, put back on the road. Got to the point where I can use it again. Once it's back on the road, because of my leg, which is this thing, problem down here, I cannot use the gear shift mechanism because it's you're not allowed to use it if you've got a plastic cast on your leg. You can't use anything like drive a manual vehicle or a bike with a left-hand gear change. What I've got is an excellent little bit of kit called a Clicktronic. This is a wonderful little British company that makes electric gear change mechanisms. What we've got here is an actuator, fits on top of the gear lever, control box, apologies for the airplanes going past, and then an underslung gear lever, it goes like that. Yeah, that allows me to change gear with my left hand as opposed to using my left foot, which I can't at the moment. So when David Angel gets it next week, hopefully that will be will enable me to get back on the road, which I really can't wait. So and then the next issue is going to be me getting this £700 Ural onto that plant trailer on my own with one leg, for which I've cheated and I bought a winch, which I'm going to try and fit, and then hopefully that will take away the issues of getting it onto a trailer. So wish me luck.